Next, which of the following lengths can be the sides of a right angle triangle? Means these four lengths are given, and which of them can be the sides of right angle triangle? So let's check. Remember two important points about right angle triangle. Which are these? Hypotenuse is the greatest side in the right angle triangle. Means this is the hypotenuse, this is side 1, this is side 2. Some books call this as base and this as height, but the right terminology is side 1 and side 2. So hypotenuse is the greatest. These two sides can't be greater than hypotenuse, point number 1. And point number 2, Pythagoras theorem. S1 square plus S2 square is equals to H square, means hypotenuse square. These two things you must always remember for any right angle triangle. So let's try each group. Which is the highest side? In A, 7. So 7 square should be equal to 4 square plus 5 square. Is it so? No. You try it yourself. 49, 16, 25. It's not that. Now B. 27 is the highest. 27 square equals to 10 square plus 16 square. Is it so? No. Because 729, 100, 256. Third. 3.9, this is the highest. 3.9 square equals to 3.6 square plus 1.5 square. Is it so? Do this. See here, this is difficult, but you'll have to try it yourself and you'll have to learn how to do the squares. In fact, you might have done this in 6th standard. Put the points between this way: 15.21, 12.96 and 2.25. Okay, now add this, you'll get the answer as yes. So Pythagoras theorem applies in C. For D, it's not correct for you to try. Once you get the answer, in exam don't try this. Only for your sake, I am giving this now. 26 square equals to 25 plus 25 square plus 7 square. No, it does not match. Because a slight mismatch. But then also mismatch is a mismatch. So this does not apply. So only answer